So guys, let's say I wanted to add Google Chrome to my desktop. I'll just head over to search and then type in Google Chrome. Now I'm going to right click on it and then click on open file location. And now it's going to be here again. I'm going to right click on it again and then click on open file location again. And then you want to find the .exe file. Now you want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on create shortcut. And then click on yes, which will then place it on your desktop. And now you can rename this if you want to. It might be different from the original name, like my one is. So I'm going to rename this to Google Chrome, and it works perfectly. And now for the second method of Microsoft Store apps, for example, I cannot do the same thing with Spotify that I just showed you. So instead, you want to head over to search and type in run, click on it, and then you want to type in shell, apps, folder, click on enter, and then the Microsoft Store apps are going to be appearing here, along with some other apps as well. But I have Spotify right here. You want to right click on it, and then click on create shortcut, and then click on yes. This is how you add Microsoft Store apps to your desktop.